Mega love shoutout sa lahat na nandito ngayon, sa lahat ng nanonood sa video na ito. Meron lang po tayong babatiin na isang birthday girl na si Ses, ang baby ng ating Miss Mary. Ses, happy birthday. My wish para sa iyo ay always be pretty, always be kind, loving, and always be happy, always be healthy, and good to everybody. Ayan, happy birthday, and sana bibigyan pa tayo ng mahaba pa na panahon dito sa world. Ayan. Always listen to the advice of our mom, Mary, dahil the mom is the best policy. Charot. Yeah, happy birthday, and ayun, I know naman na napakamasunurin mong anak sa iyong mga parents. Ayun, just continue that one, and then always be kind. Continue the kindness that you have and sweetness that you have. Thank you sa inyong support, especially your mama. Support sa aking channel. Thank you. And thank you also sa, ayun, nag-meet na tayo. I hope I will see you again next time na uwi. Ayan. Happy birthday, and God bless you always, and be happy. Enjoy life. Okay? I love you, sis. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Sana'y mabusog nyo sila. Charot. Happy birthday. Bye-bye. Thank you.
So, hello everybody! Mega love shoutout po sa lahat ng nanonood, syempre ng greetings para sa nag-iisang Princess ni Miss Mary. Ayan. So, happy birthday, Princess! Ayan. So, more birthdays to come. At mag-aaral ng mabuti, syempre, para sa future. At saka good health. Ayan. Kain pa ng marami para magiging malusog, kagaya ko. Charot. So, stay beautiful and stay na sa pagiging mapagmahal, syempre, lalo na kay Miss Mary at saka kay Kuya Pulis. Hello, Kuya! So, happy birthday ulit, Princess. At, yan, hope to see you soon again. So, sana magkikita pa tayo ulit. Magkikita tayo. Yan, magkikita pa tayo. Yan. So, happy birthday, Princess. Ayan, aral na mabuti. God bless, God bless. Bye!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, BBT. God bless you always, and be a good girl to your parents and to everyone as always, and hopefully that you'll reach your goals in your life, especially you have good results in all of your endeavors and your studies. And as I said, always we can still see each other again, hopefully soon, as I'm planning to go back to the Philippines, so you can see also Balong Prince Rio. And with that, thank you so much also for your support on our channel, and even that I'm not feeling well, I still have managed to greet you on your special day. So once again, be a good girl, always be a good citizen to our country, and of course love your parents, because they're the ones who loves you more. Okay, God bless you always, and Tita loves you so much. Bye.
Happy birthday sa nag-iisang taong naniniwala na maganda ako. I-bash man ako ng lahat, pero siya talaga naniniwala maganda ako. Happy birthday. Sana masaya ka sa araw na ito. Mag-aral mabuti. Makinig sa nanay at tatay. Mag-boyfriend man, pero wag muna magseryoso, okay? Happy birthday!